All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back at Sebring. Another beautiful day, nice and chilly in the morning. I'm sure, like typical Florida, it's gonna be pretty hot and toasty. So I gotta say, I had a pretty shitty night last night. I was kind of worried about this thing, which kind of sucks, man. I had a pretty restless night. I'm not 100% confident in the Evo, guys. You know, I gotta be honest with you. So hopefully the Evo redeems itself. You know, Florida's a very tough track on any car, you know. Not really so much worried about like engine and transmission and things like that. More worried about the axle, brakes, and things like that. So, you know, hopefully we don't have any real issues and we can turn some laps. All right. So, with that out of the way, let's get to some laps. has it?
No kidding? You could get a 23.
Huh?
You could get a 23.
Yeah, I think it has 23 in it.
Yeah, absolutely.
A clean lap, good clean lap, I think it'll do 23. Yeah. All right, boys, we're back at home base. So last session I wasn't able to record, but I was able to run a 24.09, almost 223. Pretty amazing, man. My real goal was 225. I would have been happy with 225, but you know, 224, hey, I'll take it. And I know the car has 223 in it as is, which honestly, it's amazing. It took me a while to get to 223 with this car. And I gotta say, man, driving this thing yesterday was super, super fun. And I'm super, super stoked that everything, all the work that I put into it really worked out. She did amazing. I mean, I had really no real issues. I chewed up through the front brakes, but I mean, these were pads that Josh had already used. You're not gonna be able to see there, but they're pretty much gone. So the front pads are gone. So definitely got to get new brake pads and all that. But the suspension did great. A little on the soft side. So next time I go out, I'm gonna try to stiffen it up all the way around. This time, what I did is I kind of went a little bit, like 7 clicks on the front, and I believe like 15 or so in the rear to kind of stiffen up the rear a little bit. And I really think that all the work that I put in really worked out. I mean, even the mud flaps, I didn't have anywhere near as much stuff on the side as I had when I went to Homestead. And, you know, so there was still some stuff. So I guess if you wanted full coverage here, you would have to come a little bit further out. But I think, like I said in the previous video, you know, looks versus function, I think that works out really, really good. I had very little rubber marks on this side. Again, the catch can, nothing really in it. I mean, a little bit of like vapor stuff, but you know, nothing really kind of sitting in there. Didn't feel the catch can. Car ran much, much cooler. I think I saw peak temps of 202 later in the afternoon. It was almost 90 degrees at that point. And oil temps, I think peak was like 253 or so. So really, really good. Again, super, super stoked that all the work that I put into the Evo really, you know, it really paid off. And I gotta say, guys, I really was kind of doubtful. I was kind of nervous. I was really nervous about the Evo, and I didn't know. I wasn't confident that the Evo was going to be, you know, reliable, taking it out to the track. You know, so now moving forward, I mean, I'm not gonna really track this car heavily. Okay, the plan for this car is 90+% street. Okay. So now it's really gonna go back into street mode, which just means really just taking out the bar, cleaning up the interior, and that's about it, guys, you know, because she is already kind of set up. So I'm not sure when the next time we're gonna see the Evo back on the channel. Okay, the next video, we're probably gonna be taking this guy back out. All right, guys, so thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.